In this video, we are going to see how to unlock keyboard on your device. For this first step, we need to turn off filter keys, open up settings in this scroll down. The left hand side you have seen the accessibility is there. Click it and click keyboard settings. You have see sticky key, filter keys and toggle keys are there. The filter key should be in turn off mode. If it's turn on means you need to turn off it and make sure it should be in turn off mode. And after completing this, close it and come to next step, update or reinstall keyboard drivers. For this, go to device manager, click it. You have seen the keyboard option is there. You need to click the keyboard option and right click it and update the drivers. For this, you need to have the best drivers for your device already. So check it. If it's not working means again you need to right click and uninstall it. Uninstall the drivers. After you need to restart your PC, it will automatically reinstall the drivers. So uninstall it. After that, you need to restart the PC. After that, open it and check it. So this is how to fix the issues. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.